Alright, so I started to do this and I was just like, why don't I just stream it? Because of course it should be streamed. I just finished eating and I'm getting ready for work. But I have approximately a half an hour. This will be less than a half an hour, but all we're going to do is take the spheres to three. Okay. I don't know what we have to do here. I think we have to do something here. Actually, let's just bump both of them up to 4 because this one's going to go to 4. Oh, I can barely see. I don't know what's going on with my eyes this morning. I can barely make it out. What am I running? Visual Studio? Oh. Alright. Aside from getting old, okay, so basically when we do this, when we initialize the unit data and then we initialize the data for the spheres, we want a way to make sphere. Okay, so make sphere 2. Let's just go look at make sphere 2. Where is it at? Here. So there's the texture ID, but really what we're looking at is the shaders. The only thing that gets sent through, pardon me. Okay, position, color, texture ID. Okay, so texture ID gets sent through but never gets used. So we don't actually send a color through. Right. Position, texture, so there is no color that gets sent through. So we just get this texture ID. We are using the cube positions in the vertex shader to put the positions. Yeah, I don't think we need this stuff. And we're using the scale. We're not using. Okay, so texture ID. I really want to redo the data from this, but that's kind of a lot to do. I mean, I have to go in the shower at 9:45, so that's pretty much the latest I can stream, whether I get this done or not. So let's go with a texture ID. So sphere texture ID, and it's a float, and we're just going to send it. It gets sent through, but it's never used, you see. So I can use that. And this uses a color. You can see there's a color, and then the X and the Y, or the text chord Y and whatnot gets multiplied by stuff. Okay, so let's do this. Hold on just a second. Excuse me. We could either randomly generate a color from that texture ID with functions that I already have, or we could actually use this as a index into a palette of colors, random colors. In GLSL, could you please give me an array of colors? Let's see if it'll do it with just that. Perfect. See, this is exactly what I need. Red, green, blue. Gotcha. Okay, so let's go into here. And I'm just going to paste all this in here and we'll figure it out. So the first thing is we get the text ID. And then in I is here, selected color. Okay, there. So this, instead of index, is going to be text ID, T-E-X ID. There. Selected color equals color array that. Okay, that actually works. So then when we send in text ID, I think we also want to make sure to floor it. Just in case. And then when we send in text ID, we want to go here. It is a float, but we're going to go GL float. Oh, that didn't work out. What the heck? Oh, I got you. Hold on. It's going to do it like this. Hold on. I just realized I sent it in as a parameter. So we want to look at in here when it calls it from here, make sphere 2. And it's using this. Wait, text ID. So position, scale, sphere, text ID. Position, scale. Oh, so it uses 3005. Well, let's just go like this. %5. And then is that so 0 through 4? Perfect. Excuse me. Okay, so we'll go like that. So it's going to be random. Will that work? Will that compile? Wait, did I choose 18? Did I choose new sphere 2? Well, we'll see in a second here. No. Was there an error? There's an error. Okay, hold on. Syntax error, expected that. It's added. Okay, line 13. Where's line 13? Color array. What? Oh, can you not do this outside of main? I don't think you can do that outside of main, so let's just put it there. That's probably better. Yeah, except they're all purple. Oh, that's because I'm not using it down here. Okay, so let's just take this, comment it out, copy it, paste it. So we want to go like this, selected color. So right here we're going to go selected color dot R times that. Here we're going to go selected color dot G right there. Selected color dot B right there. And it's weird. Why is it weird? So the red ones work. How come just red works? Because it's 0 float rand. So let's just put in here. Let's put in 1 and see what happens. Because red is the only one that looked like it was working. What's up with that? Okay, so that one's glitched. If it's 1, it's glitched. Not sure why. 2. 2 is glitched. And looks weird as we move around. So 0 is the only one that works? That's so bizarre. Why? Again, this is a glitch from the shader code because that's a float that I'm sending in and flooring it. Yeah, it's weird. So what it's actually doing, I believe here, is right here. Color array, all this. Because red's the only one that works. Selected color equals color array I. Int floor text. So bizarre, isn't it? Yeah, totally. Okay, so, And yet again, if I use 0, so let's just hard code 0 in there. Oh wait,
anything to see in render doc.
It's not 0. What happened? Somebody's, hold on, it's finishing the essay that it's got to write here. Please note does not support dynamic indexing of arrays with non-constant expressions for versions below. If you're using a version below, you need to work around. Oh, okay. All right. Anything to see in RenderDoc? What's RenderDoc? What is RenderDoc? RenderDoc is a free open source standalone graphics debugger. Oh, that allows you to quickly and easily single frame capture. Oh, interesting. Widely used within the game industry, academia, and hobbyists. Oh. Oh, interesting. Renderdoc.org. I'm just thinking. Floor int.
Boney, Montana. You basically do a screen capture and inspect everything. Takes a good moment to get used to the tool.
Oh, I wasn't doing that right. Hold on. RGB. Where was it? Yeah, this one. So which one is getting it right? I'm wondering. Because the red works. So which one is red? Right, it's the first one. Color array 0. So red is the only one that works? I wonder why. So do I need to do that thing? You basically do a screen capture and inspect everything. It takes a good moment to get used to the tool. Oh. I think I've seen people use that, but I didn't know what it was. RenderDoc. I mean, I think I remember reading about that too. But I'm pretty much I know what's going on. It's this right here is probably... Well, I don't know. The other way to do this is to just send in an actual color. Which would be better, I guess. Why don't we take out texture ID in this particular one? Let's send in an actual color, because I suppose that's a janky way of doing it. Oh, I see. Then we just make this 60,000 like the others. That's kind of crazy. Okay, then where's the init data? Init data. Hold on. Not there, not there, not there. Okay, size of... Wait, which one's 3, 2, 3, 1? So I think that's going to be 3 now. Pretty sure I'm going to mess this all up right now. I'm breaking it, and then we're going to be done because I have to go in the shower real quick. So, pretty sure we're going to break it. Just word of warning, caution, tread carefully, watching. Prepare to be triggered, whatever. It's going to happen. Save position texture ID. Okay, so now texture ID is going to be 3 floats. And is this going to be actual? Oh, so we need to do it like this. Right? So texture ID we need to do like that. Then we need 3 floats between 0 and, yeah, so then we can just go like this, take that out, go get 2, 5, 6 rand, perfect. Okay. Then we're going to go like this, and 1 and 2. Now which, this is in, oh, Sky Sphere, that was great, Jeff. Well, where's the init data? Let me take this. Where's the init data? Okay. Init data. It's not here. Render, make sphere, random sphere. Wait, where's? Am I missing something here? The sphere load shaders init unit data? That's not, I don't remember that being the thing. So it does the sphere data here. It doesn't get any sphere vertices, indices. Yeah, it doesn't have anything. All right, let's just go up here. Hold on. Make sphere. Oh, it's right here. Make sphere 2 is the one. So what happens is it calls make sphere 2 over and over, right? Okay, I got you. I'm sorry. Right in here. So far divided by 3. So far. Oh, so we're not even going to use the other one I was thinking. Okay, so let's just copy that in. And then we're going to use this. So far. This is really, I shouldn't really be doing this like this, but it's okay. Everything's fine. That's another stream entirely. If I didn't work today, we would fix that. No problem. Okay, so that's generating a random color. Now we need the vertex shader. Pretty sure that's all we need. So now we need the vertex shader to receive a vector 3. We're going to keep it called texture ID. That's fine. Out vector 3. Text ID. Text ID equals texture ID. That's okay. And then in here we're going to go in vector 3. Vector 3. Now we're going to take, we don't need this color array. We're not going to do that. We don't need that. So now we're just going to go with text ID. All right. Yeah, I really wish I wasn't going to have to work today necessarily, but pays the bills. Alrighty, so now it should be, maybe it'll work. I don't know if it's gonna work, if it's gonna, oh, cool. Now we have a whole bunch of random colored spheres. Alright. And that's just one way to do it. Obviously there's a better optimization and all that fun stuff. And then G, yeah, space. I put this in yesterday. It's black and white. Kind of cool. Okay. All right, random spheres. That's good. I'm happy. A lot of them are green. They seem green-ish. Green seems to be a popular color. Not sure why. Shades of green. Shades of green. Oh, okay. I was wondering how close my. All right. I don't even know if I have a good screenshot. If this would be a good screenshot or what's going on. All right. Now I can safely go in the shower, having completed at least one task on the game dev journey for the day. Alright. That's it. That's all I wanted to do. That is all I wanted to do. Alright. 3D terrain. 04. Okay. So what is RenderDoc? RenderDoc.org. RenderDoc.org. Free MIT license grasp allows quick and easy single thing details. Oh. Why have I never used this before? Huh. Unconfirmed download. This is a good program, by the way. Biggs did a great job with his itch.io. B3. There we go. Check out Biggs over on Itch. Highly recommend. Can I just post here and it'll go both places, or? Nice. Oh, went to Twitch, went to YouTube. That's cool. Alright, let's install this. See what we have to do. Accept the terms. Typical custom complete. All program features requires the most space. Who cares? Install. Render doc. Click the finish button. Now what? Render doc is a doc thing. Pin to start, pin to taskbar would be better. There we go. Documentation? Oh no. Getting started. Capturing a frame. To capture a frame, begin by selecting File, Launch Application. So do I have to have it running while the thing by default will be open in your document? You may find this one already available. Default works pretty well in most situations. Just browser dragging your exe. Wait, you can just either browse to or drag in your exe? What do you mean drag in your exe? Launching an executable? Enter any command line you may need and click launch to launch the application. So you launch your program with RenderDoc? Oh, what? Well, I guess I could try that. So then, do I need to have my, let's see, what is this? Anonymous Analytics. RenderDoc has some very minimal analytics gathering. The data is gathered only in the UI, not during capture. Gather anonymous low detail statistics and submit automatically. Yeah, I don't care. It's fine. Okay, so what do we do? Drag. Where do we drag and drop our exe? File. Launch application. Attached to a running instance. Oh, well, let's see. Can you, if I'm running it in debug mode like I do, oh, can I alt tab to RenderDoc now? Where's RenderDoc? There. So attached to a running instance. Refresh. Remote connections in progress. I don't see anything. Refresh all. Okay, so I don't think that works. So let's close this down. Either attach the launching browser or launch the exe from the UI. Yeah, so I guess we drag and drop it into one of these boxes. I have no idea. It doesn't say. It just, this is blank and this is blank. API inspector. Do we just drag it anywhere on this window? That's bizarre. That's kind of bizarre. Not gonna lie. That's bizarre. Okay, so where is my exe? I think it's in here. Yeah, this one. So what do I have to do now to get them both on window? Oh my gosh. I have to use... Can I do that? Okay. And now where'd the other one... Will you not snap? Swear Windows isn't meant for Windows. Copy? We just put it anywhere? Oh, and it goes right in there. It did. Okay, so now what? Launch application? I don't see it running. Then run it. Weird. Launch? Oh. Okay. Computer? What is this? This is not the... Capturing OpenGL. This is totally not it. F12 print screen to capture. Okay. That was fun. That was totally not my program. That was the latest executable version. So does RenderDoc... Whoops. Here, let's go to... Oh, I gotta head in the shower. Alright. Not gonna be able to play with this anyways. Interesting. Shader viewer. See this? I think I've seen people use this. Specifically Quantum Apprentice. Python shell texture viewer. Oh. Okay. Alright, sad but true, but I have to go in the shower and do all this other stuff and go to work and all this. Well, Boney Montana, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for turning me on to the RenderDoc thing. We'll see if we can get that working. Seems really, really not easy to use, apparently.